how does the nervous system work?
Good afternoon, Koko. You are practically bouncing through the door today. What in the world happened this morning?
Owlo, you will not believe this. I grabbed my mom's mug of tea, and it turned out to be way too hot.
Oh, no. Are you all right? Did you burn your hand on that hot mug?
No, that is the amazing part. My hand let go and pulled back before I even felt the heat, or heard my mom yell, "Watch out."
That, Koko, is your nervous system working faster than you could ever think it through.
Wait, what exactly is the nervous system, and how does it work so incredibly fast?
Great question. Think of your nervous system as your body's messenger service. It carries information to every part of you, all day long.
Oh, like a mail carrier delivering letters to every single house in the neighborhood?
Exactly like that, except these messages travel through special cells called neurons, and they move almost as fast as a bolt of lightning.
Whoa, lightning fast? That sounds like some kind of secret superhero power hiding inside me.
In a way, it really is. Your brain and spinal cord act as the control center, and nerves stretch out from there like tiny wires.
So when I touched that hot mug, my hand sent a message all the way up to my brain?
Almost, but not quite. For something dangerous, like sudden heat, your body uses a shortcut called a reflex.
A shortcut? Why would my body skip my brain completely when something important is happening?
Because your brain takes a little longer to think things through, and with something hot, every second matters. Your spinal cord makes that quick decision instead.
So my hand basically saved itself without even asking my brain for permission first.
That is a wonderful way to put it. We call that a reflex arc, and it protects you before pain even has a chance to register.
Can we test how fast my nerves really are? I really want to try an experiment.
Let's head over to the science lab and try a little experiment about reaction time. Hold your hand out flat for me, Koko. I am going to drop this ruler, and I want you to catch it as quickly as you can.
Okay, I am ready. My fingers are already twitching, just waiting for it to fall.
Here it comes. Get ready now. Watch closely and snap your hand shut the moment you see it start to fall.
I caught it, but it slipped through my fingers a little bit before I closed my hand.
That little slip shows exactly how long it takes for a message to travel from your eyes to your brain and then down to your hand.
So seeing the ruler fall is different from touching something hot and pulling away instantly?
Exactly right. Catching the ruler needs your brain to decide and react, which takes longer than a pure reflex.
That makes sense now. My brain is like the boss, but sometimes my spinal cord handles emergencies all on its own.
Beautifully explained, Koko. Your brain sends and receives billions of messages every single day, controlling everything from your breathing to your biggest dreams.
Billions? That is even more than all the stars I saw through the telescope in the science lab.
It certainly is. Every neuron works together like one giant team, passing messages from one to the next using tiny electrical sparks.
I want to learn more about the brain now, like how we remember things or why we dream at night.
That sounds like the perfect topic for our next lesson together. For now, why don't you tell me what you learned today?
Okay, so my nervous system is like a messenger service, with my brain as the boss and my nerves as the delivery wires. Neurons pass messages super fast, almost like lightning, and reflexes let my body react to danger without even asking my brain first. Basically, my hand is braver than my brain sometimes, since it deals with hot mugs all on its own.
That is a fantastic summary, Koko. Never stop being curious about the amazing machine inside you, and I cannot wait for our next lesson together. If you had fun today, ask a grown-up to get the free AskOwlo app for more stories. And don't forget to subscribe so we can make even more.